AI can generate a 3D model in seconds, but here's the problem. A model that looks good isn't necessarily a model you can actually use. What happens when you need clean topology? What if you want a low poly version? What if you need to edit or separate the model? And what if you want to take that asset into an actual production workflow? Today I'm testing Tripo against other popular AI 3D tools to see which one actually gives you the most useful result. And I'm testing them with the same inputs. Tripo is an AI 3D workspace designed around actual 3D production workflows. You can start with text, images, or sketches, generate a 3D model, and then continue refining that asset inside the same workspace. And that's what makes this test interesting. I'm not only going to compare the generated models, I'm going to compare what happens after generation. Because now let's dive in. I'm going to create some 3D models with the Tripo. So let me show you how actually thing work. So first of all, let's upload my image reference image over there. So let's upload the reference image and let me show you the result. So my reference pic is uploaded in which is in front of you, and here's the geometry and texture. You can also create here's the texture 8K, which is one of the best and premium texture is the 8K, and you can also select the topology with the triangle, quad. Both are also available in front of you, so you can also select it out too. And after that, in the generating the parts, they also have 8K texture. We have also open the 8K texture, and you can also generate in the parts. So you can also click over there and generate it. And AI models are also available there, so you can check it out. And let's create the our AI model, and let me show you the result. And now, guys, you can check it out. Our model has been generated, and look at that, how realistic and amazing it is. You can check it out. Everything's looking so much amazing and cool over there. So you can literally, you can also check out the sword. It's also looking so much insane and amazing, and you can also check out the clothes, and the little bit details is amazing and tremendous, and you can check it out. So everything is looking so much amazing and tremendous, so you can also check them out. That's how Tripo is working right now. And guys, here's in the texture section where you can also create your own style. Here's you can also give your own style texture over there, select the a classic, other type of the woods, everything. So you can also give over there, and you can also make them in the 8K. So let me show you. If you make the videos under the 8K, you can also create the over the 8K. So let me show you how generate texture work over there. And guys, look at that. That's now is the 8K texture. And look at that. The little details are looking so much nice and amazing, and it's looking so much cool over there. So you can also check out the dressing. Everything is looking tremendously done, and you can check it out. Everything is fabulous. And guys, now compare the standard version with 8K texture. In the 8K version, fabric details look sharper and more realistic, while the sword has much clearer edges, texture, and fine surface details. The difference is especially noticeable when you zoom in. Now, let me show you the smart mesh section. And here we have select the smart mesh section is also available in front of you. You can also select a general section is the topology. So you can also check it out and now generate our model inside the smart mesh. And guys, now here you can check it out. Here is in the smart mesh, you can check it out 3D models which is in front of you, and look at that, every details, everything is in front of you. And in the texture section is also available there, so you can also add the texture, and you can also add the coloring. And now let's create this into the segment section. And now I'm in the segment section. First of all is a simple, which is also available in the 3 to 6 part, and in the pattern 6 to 15, and detail is 15 plus parts. So we are going with the detail section. I'm going to start segmenting over this. I guess now here you can check it out. It's also divided in the 15 plus parts over there, so you can check it out. Every detail, the parts of the every detail is also in front of you, and you can check it out. Every details are like this separately about our project, and you can check it out. How cool is that? You can also find it out and check it out. And guys, every part will be shown up. If you want to check out a specific part, you can click over the part over there, and the part will be shown up in front of you, and you can check it out. I'm going to click over there, and that part will be shown up in front of you. You can also check it out. That's how it's divided into the parts. And guys, now after the segmentation, here's the retopo part. So in this part, here's everything's a quad, triangle. You can also select it out. Guys, now let's create the retopology, and let me show you the final thing. So this has been done, everything. Now you can check it out. our topology, faces, verticals, everything is available in front of you. So it has been done, and after that, what you need to do, let me show you. So guys, everything is done like the model, segment, retopo, texture, and the animation. Everything is done, and after that, if you want to export it out, you can click on the export option. Then it will be select the Blender file name is everything in front of you, and click on the export option. And after that, our file will be exported successfully. So that's how Tripo is doing right now. If you're still interested in this type of, and this is where the model becomes useful in a real production workflow. After exporting from Tripo, I can bring the scene character into Blender, refine the scene, and prepare it for animation, rendering, or game production. The real advantage is seeing the model outside Tripo. I can export it. Link in description to sign up for Tripo to get 500 bonus credits. Use discount code TripoCrew to get your first month of Pro plan at 60% of less than $8 unlocking all Tripo faces. So check out now. We have to check them out and explore the Tripo today. So we will meet in our next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy, and thank you.